प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः.
Rishikesh then, O Bharat, Dhritarashtra, with a smile as it appeared, spoke thus to him Arjun, who sat mournfully between the two armies. Krishna, knower of secrets of the innermost heart, Rishikesh, speaks smilingly to the grieving Arjun.
अशोचानन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः.
The Lord said, although sorrowing over those who ought not to be grieved for, you yet speak wise words. But the discriminating mourn over neither the living nor those who are dead. Krishna tells Arjuna that while he grieves for those who are unworthy of such grief, he also speaks words of wisdom. But men of discernment mourn neither for those whose souls have departed, nor for the ones who are living. They do not grieve for the living because they also shall die. That means that Arjuna only talks like a wise man. He does not know the reality, since it is not that either you or I or all these kings did not exist in the past, nor is it that our being will come to an end in the future.